If your product photos look like this, you're losing sales every single day. But what if you could turn this into this in seconds using AI? When you sell online, your photos are your product. No touch, no try, just visuals. And bad photos, they kill conversions. So instead of spending hundreds on a studio, today I will show you how to make professional product photos at home. Let's dive in.
Right now, I have the tennis racket in hand. So just take simple photos with your phone.
No elaborate staging is required, just make use of natural light.
Next, go to Fotor and click the e-commerce. Then choose the product shot feature. Upload the image you just took and the background color you prefer, then click Generate, and you will get the product photo from this to this.
This is precisely where AI truly shines. It solves the issues of lighting and space. You no longer need a high-quality studio or a photographer to capture professional photos. Now that we have the product images, we can also add background images depicting various scenarios, and that is the key to enhancing the product conversion.
Re-enter Fotor and upload the product image you just prepared. Then enter the prompt describing the background you desire. For the simplest approach, you can even use other people's product photos as a reference. Simply feed them to the AI and let it generate a unique background just for you. Use a prompt like this. Use the structure of the reference ad as inspiration, but create a new version tailored to the product. Do not copy directly. Instead, reinterpret and improve the concept. As you can see, compared to ordinary backgrounds, creative concepts are more effective at attracting buyers. Furthermore, you can have the AI generate variations in different colors.
This is particularly useful because should the product's production cycle face delays, we can generate various product images in advance to ensure the product launch remains unaffected. Finally, to make your products look even more engaging, you can use Fotor's image-to-video feature.
Simply upload your product images, enter a text prompt, select your desired video aspect ratio and duration, and click Generate.
In addition to exquisite product images, engaging promotional videos will also generate excellent exposure for your products. All right, that wraps up today's video. I've dropped the tool link and the prompts in the description below so you can make your product photos at home in a few minutes. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time.